now today we are going to solve questions based on substitution method. So in substitution method, the question is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2, x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. So this is the pair of linear equation which we have to solve by substitution method. So by substitution method we will calculate the values of x and y. So let's start the solution. So in solution first we'll write, now first we have to make this equation into standard form. So for making the standard form we have to take LCM of this equation. So LCM of this equation is 6. So 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9x. Minus 2 into 5 is 10y equals to minus 2. Now for the next equation, again we have to take the LCM. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into x is 2x plus 3 into y is 3y equals to 13 by 6. And next step, 9x minus 10y equals to cross multiply 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Now this is equation number 1. And we can cut this denominator, this numerator. If the denominator are same, we can cut from both the sides. So this equation will be 2x plus 3y equals to 13. This is equation number 2. Now taking equation 1. Now taking equation 1. So equation 1 is 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12. We have to eliminate either x or y from the left hand side. We will eliminate y from the left hand side. So minus 10y, it will become plus if you take in right hand side. So this is 10y minus 12. So x equals to 10y minus 12 divided by 9. So this is equation number 3. Now this is the value of x. From 1 we are making equation 3. Now this equation 3 we have to put in equation 2. Now substituting x equals to 10y minus 12 by 9 in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x plus 3y. So we'll write here 2 instead of x. We'll write here 10y minus 12 divided by 9. So here is plus 3, y equals to 13. Now multiply it. 10 into 2 into 10 is 20. Y minus 2 into 12 is 24 by 9 plus 3y equals to 13. So 20. Now we will take LCM. Here is 1. So LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. So it is 20y minus 24. 9 into 3 is 27. 27y equals to 13. So 20y plus 27y. 20y plus 27y minus 24 equals to 9 into 13. Cross multiply. So 20y plus 27y is 47y. 47y equals to 9 into 13 is 117. plus 24. Y equals to 117 plus 24 is 141 by 47. So y equals to 47 into 3 is 141. So y equals to 3. Now again we have to substitute the value of y in equation 3. Again substitute y equals to 3 in equation 3. So x equals to 10. Instead of y we will write 3 minus 12 divided by 9. So x equals to 10 into 3 is 30 minus 12 divided by 9. X equals to 18 by 9. X equals to 18 by 9 is 919, 9 to 18, 2. Therefore x equals to 2, y equals to 3 are the solution of the pair of equation. Okay. Now next question. Okay, next question is solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. So first we have to calculate the value of x and y by using substitution method. By using substitution method we will calculate x and y first. So in solution we will write 2x plus 3y equals to 11, 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now taking equation 1. Taking equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Now we have to eliminate either x or y from left hand side. So we will eliminate y. So 2x equals to 11 minus 3y. So x equals to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So this is equation number 3. Now substituting x equals to 11 minus 3y by 2 in equation 2. We will get equation 3 from equation 1. Now we have to substitute this equation into equation 2. So equation 2, the equation is 2. Instead of x we will write 11 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 4y equals to minus 24. Now we can cut these 2. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y equals to minus 24. This equals to minus 4y minus 3y is minus 7y equals to minus 24. Now plus 11, we will take it into right hand side. So plus 11 will become minus 11. So minus 7y equals to minus 35. So we can cut minus minus here. So y equals to 35 by 7. So y equals to 717, 75, 35. So y equals to 5. Again we have to substitute. Again substitute y equals to 5 in equation in equation 3. So equation 3 is x equals to 11 minus 3. Instead of y we will write 5, y replaced by 5 by 2. So x equals to 11 minus 5 into 3 into 5 is 15 by 2. X equals to minus 4 by 2. This equals to minus 2. 2 1 2 2 2 4. So therefore x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 5 are the solution of the pair of equation. Now the question is, hence find the value of m in which y equals to mx plus c. So it is given that the equation of line is, since y equals to mx plus c, mx plus 3. From this equation we have to calculate the value of m. So we have to put the value of y 5 and value of x will be minus 2. So value of y is 5. Instead of y we will write 5 here. So instead of x we will write minus 2 plus 3. 5 equals to minus 2m plus 3. Now minus 2m, take it into left hand side, it is 2m equals to 3 plus 5, take it into right hand side, it is minus 5. So 2m equals to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So m equals to minus 2 divided by 2. So m equals to 212. So it is minus 1. Therefore the value of m equals to minus 1. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Okay, thank you. This was for today.